Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Crosley Voyager record player, full guide. Place the platter, attach the belt, and set the mat. Mount the cartridge and ensure the stylus guard is removed. Balance the tone arm by adjusting the counterweight until it floats level. Set the tracking force and anti-skate according to the cartridge specs. Plug into a grounded outlet and connect speakers or a receiver to test playback. Now we focus on the tone arm and cartridge with friendly, clear steps you can follow. Start by removing the stylus guard, then install and align the cartridge using a protractor or alignment tool. Balance the tone arm with the counterweight until it floats, then dial in the manufacturer's tracking force. Set anti-skate to the same value as tracking force to keep grooves centered and reduce wear during playback. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and I found it inspiring to read between record spins. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a copy if you're curious. Now let's get back to the video. Next we address speed, belt fit, and platter accuracy in a friendly tone. Verify the belt is seated properly on the motor pulley and platter rim with moderate tension. Choose 33 or 45 RPM on the speed control depending on your record. Use a strobe disc or a smartphone app to confirm platter rotation is precise, and make minor belt or motor position adjustments until speed reads correctly for clean playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.